Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Spotify account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on the profile icon at the top right. Click Account and then scroll down to Change Password here under Security and Privacy. And then type in your current password and your new password and click Set New Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access Spotify from another browser or device, and you can also try to log into Spotify via Google, Facebook, or Apple if you connected any of them to your Spotify account. So a recap, if you're still able to log in, change your password, and if you're unable to log in, it's time to try to reset your password. To reset your password, click on Forgot Your Password. And then type in either your email address or your username. And click Send Link. And then you want to go and check your email for an email from Spotify. So the email should look something like this, and it should come from noreply@spotify.com. And if you verify that, you can click Reset Password or this link right here. And then you can type in your new password and confirm it and click Create Password. If you couldn't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your account has the free plan, send an email to accountdetailschanged@spotify.com, ideally from the email that was associated with your account, and you can copy my message that I have here and tailor it to your needs. All of these details will be in the description as well. After you send the email, wait for a reply from Spotify for further assistance. If your account has the premium plan, go to this link here. It's in the description as well. And click Start Messaging. And it will ask you if you want to log in. Click No Thanks. And then a support chat will open up. And it will ask for you to describe your issue. So you can copy and paste the prompt that I had. You can and then you want to click Can't Log In. And then you want to provide the email address or phone number that you signed up with. So click Yes. And then click either one that you're going to provide. And then they will ask for your name. And then it will ask if your email address has been changed and say yes. Then it will ask if you had a free account or a premium account and select premium. It will then connect you with an advisor to verify that you're the owner of the account, and you're going to have to share proof of payment, confirmation such as receipts or confirmation emails, and be sure to hide any sensitive details before sharing any of the information. And to upload them, you would click this paperclip here and select the file. And once you're ready to chat with support, you can just click yes here. Here are some tips on securing your Spotify account. Secure your email. Verify that the email or phone number on the account belongs to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Go to the settings and sign out of everywhere, and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or logins. If you follow the steps throughout this video and you still haven't recovered your Spotify account, we do offer a paid service to help you recover your social media, email, and other personal accounts. You can book an appointment down below or visit the site on your screen to book an appointment. We do not ask for any personal account information or passwords, we just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching, stay secure.